Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquin, myself Arnab Kundu, and today I will discuss another video on LibreOffice Writer. And today I will discuss some of the examples of the LibreOffice Writer and some operations. And some operation like that, how to insert a table, how it modify, how to put data within there, how to insert a picture or image, and also how to insert a chart, and different type of chart is available within this LibreOffice Writer is concerned. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Through LibreOffice Writer I will discuss today's different operation step by step elaborately. Okay. Hello friends, I'm just within the LibreOffice Writer. So in my previous video already I have shown lots of operation done within this LibreOffice Writer, and today we also know some other operation, or also to learn the other operation, like how to insert picture, how to table manipulate in LibreOffice Writer, or how to insert a chart. Okay, so one after another I just describe this operation. Okay, so at first, suppose if you want to insert a picture, so what we can do? So in this standard toolbar there is option insert image. From here we can also insert the image, or you can go this insert menu bar and just click on that, and then the option is image is there. So we just choose from the toolbar, the standard toolbar, this is the insert image, just click it, and after whatever the image you want to select, so just go to that folder. Okay, so just go to the future project, and suppose from there we just choose my channel icon Technical Arquin. Okay, so this picture will come in that particular LibreOffice Writer page. Okay, now if we just decrease the size, so just go to the bottom right corner, this symbol should be there, and drag it just to the upwards. Okay, and now it's just in middle, means the alignment for this picture is in middle is concerned. Okay, so just go to the property, this is the sidebar, we already know, and from there this is the option align. So this is the middle align is there, so if you choose the left align, so the picture will be go to the left. Okay, so this is the insert of the picture is concerned. Now if we want to insert a table, or we manipulate on table, how we can do? So at first we should insert a table at first. So this is the table insertion icon. From there we can insert table, or just go to the menu, is table is there, just click it there, and insert table is also there. So from this particular standard toolbar the option is there, this is the insert table, just click on there, and we choose, for table is concerned we know it has rows and columns, so we choose from there how many rows and how many columns should be there. So there is a 5 cross 5, means 5 rows and 5 columns. So if we just reduce that, so this is a 5 columns but 4 rows. So if we choose that, so what happens, this table will be just come into there. Okay, now we can manipulate on this table. What the manipulation? Suppose we want to increase the first row size, so this is the row, so if we just enlarge the first row, so just go to that part, and this symbol will be there, just drag in below, so the size increase into there. Okay, now what happens, suppose we put some data into there. Suppose we put here, for example, just put suppose roll number, and then just write here, suppose for example class, and then suppose write here DOB, date of birth, and last one is suppose gender. So this column is present of this table is concerned, and here suppose we put some student name, suppose write here Sujoy, and then suppose write Amit, then suppose write Iqbal. Okay, now we put some data into there, suppose the roll number, suppose 01, class suppose 6, DOB suppose 12, 1997, gender is male. Okay, and Amit is concerned, roll number is 2 and class suppose 7, date of birth suppose 04/05/1994. Gender is also male for Amit is concerned. And then Iqbal, suppose it's 03, the roll number is there, and class suppose 7, same like Amit, date of birth suppose 07/09/1995, and gender is male. So we put some data within that table. Through that we can manipulate something. Suppose we want the column name, the alignment should be in middle. So what we can do, just select that row for each column is concerned, and then we just do the alignment from there. Just choose this align center, so we got the alignment from there. And if you want to put the color, so just choose color. Suppose we put the color is red, okay. And also you can put the bold. Already last video I already shown how to do this, so just click on there. And if you want to just increase the font size, so just choose from there, suppose 16. So the roll number, class, DOB, gender is automatically increased. Same way, suppose this data whatever provided to there for these 3 students is concerned, if you want to just put this data into right alignment, just choose this right alignment part and it just go to the right alignment. And same way, if we just choose this particular student in coloring different, so we choose from there, the color will be different, just bold it and also increase the size of the font, suppose 18. So in that way you can modify it to there. And also you can put some color within that particular table is concerned. So just select this particular row for each column name is concerned, and then just go to this property. Just below there is an option is there, table cell background color. So we choose the color, suppose yellow. So it automatically yellow and the font color is red. Same way, the data whatever provide within there, we just enlarge it. Suppose we enlarge the size 14 and means 14 pt, and then we want to put some color behind that. Suppose we choose the color is light green, so we got that green color. And also we want to put some color for that particular name of the student of this background color is concerned. Just go to the properties and then choose the background color from there. Suppose we choose some red color into there. So in that way we can modify our table is concerned. Now what happens, suppose you want to insert some column or row. Suppose we want to insert a column after DOB, so just click on that DOB cell and just click into there, and there is a insert part is there. Just choose column after, means after DOB create a new column, so just into there. And suppose we put the name of this particular column is section, okay, and suppose we put the value of that, suppose A, section B, and suppose section D for Iqbal is concerned, okay. Now if we want to delete some row is concerned, suppose we want to delete this Iqbal, so we just select that row at first, the cell, and then right click, then go to delete and delete rows. Just click on that particular option, so Iqbal will be deleted. So we can insert column, we can insert row, and we can delete column and we can delete row in that way. This type of table manipulation we can do through this LibreOffice Writer. Okay. Now we just go through the another part is concerned, which is how to insert a chart. Okay. Now if you want to insert a chart means we have some x-axis, some y-axis, and some data should be there, and graphical representation will come from there. Okay, so just choose same way. This is the icon is there, insert chart, this option is there, just click on that. So one chart will form into there by default. Now we want to put some data within that particular chart is concerned, so then what we do, right click on that, and there is a table data option is there, just click on there, and now some table will be there, and now put some data from there. The row name, suppose we put AA, suppose row 2 just put BB, suppose row 3 we put CC, row 4 just put WW, okay. And also the column name will also change. Suppose we provide here ZZ, column 2 we are put here FF, and column 3 suppose we want to JJ, okay. And same way we can insert different new column also. So this is the part, insert series, so new series or new column will be added into there, and same way we can insert the row from there. And now if we want to change some value of that, suppose 10, 20, 30, and same way for 15, 25, 70, and suppose 29, 30, 70, suppose 78 better, and then suppose 55, 27, and suppose 38. Okay, and just close it. So on that basis of data we get a chart from there, and this is actually bar chart and also a vertical. So AA have this particular category is concerned, Z is just 10, for B the ZZ is just above 10, and CC just above 20, near about 30, and same way for WW. So in that way we can create any type of chart. So chart have lots of options is there. There's a bar chart is there, pie chart is there, bar chart have some horizontal bar chart also there. So we can do in different type of operation through this LibreOffice Writer. So we can insert image, we can align the image where we want to put that image, we can create table, and also we can manipulate on table, color it, insert column, insert row, delete column, delete row, and also we can insert some chart. Okay, and on that chart basis we can put the data, and on that data it will display the chart on that cases. Okay, and also we know whatever the data you are given within this LibreOffice Writer page, it should be saved, and the extension should be ODT, Open Document Text, for LibreOffice Writer is concerned. I hope you have understood today's video, because this is the second part of LibreOffice Writer. If you have some problem for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve that problem. If you have some queries, so also write in the comment section. Still you have not subscribed my channel, just subscribe it. If you like these videos, please like it, share it as many as possible. Keep watching my channel Technical Arquen for upcoming new LibreOffice Writer topics. So keep watching my channel Technical Arquen. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.